Oh, hi, Avon friends. Your Avon lady here, Lorik, with the Glow Baby Glow in Pink Crush Hookup Lip Gloss. Yes, it's Pink Crush. From your Avon lady, Lorik here. And your Mark Magalog is where you can find this lip gloss in Pink Crush for $6.50. It's item number 535426 535426 for Pink Crush, and this is how it looks on my lips. Here we go. Take some notes on Pink Crush. So here is Pink Crush. And I hope you get a crush on Pink Crush. Leave a sweet note below and hope you love this gloss. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. And Pink Crush is the name of the game today. Bye.